When 13-year-old Bobby Hill, the son of a U.S. Army sergeant stationed in Italy, read a book about the work of Nobel Prize winner Albert Schweitzer, he decided to do something to help the medical missionary. He sent a bottle of aspirin to Lieutenant General Richard C. Lindsay, commander of the Allied Air Forces in Southern Europe, asking if any of his airplanes could parachute the bottle of aspirin to Dr. Schweitzer's jungle hospital in Africa. Upon hearing the letter, an Italian radio station issued an appeal, resulting in more than $400,000 worth of donated medical supplies. The French and Italian governments each supplied a plane to fly the medicines, and the boy to Dr. Schweitzer. A grateful Dr. Schweitzer remarked, "I never thought a young boy could do so much for my hospital." This story is quoted from Freya North's book, God's Little Devotional Book for Women. Amount doesn't matter when you help someone. Start with a small one first. It will have a major impact on those you help and on yourself as well, because with the just one thing you have stepped off the sidelines and joined those working for a solution. This is a quote from Mother Teresa. If you can't feed 100 people, then feed just one.